Y'all, I'm stalling on doing my last set. Genetically modified food, genetically modified dinosaurs. Our corporate entities play into our food chain. Booked for February. Vamos a la próxima. Hey, mis amigas. Bienvenido al canal. Welcome back to the channel. Vamos a la próxima. Did I download Duolingo? Did you download Duolingo? Don't want to hear no complaints. We speak Spanish over here, y'all. Hablamos español. Mis amigas. Let's have more pre-workout. More pre-workout. Y'all, this is the first. How about I've been talking to y'all on this mic like the whole time and then I didn't have it extra plugged in. I've been telling y'all all kind of stuff in Spanish. Like y'all will be muy impresible. I'm making up that word. With my español. I just can't believe this. Todos mis español palabras no bueno. Tú no oír. How do you conjugate oír, which is to hear? Oír, oír, oír. Ellas no oyen mis palabras de español. Estoy muy triste. Estoy muy triste. Y'all didn't hear my Spanish words. I am so sad. Let's control the weight first off. Get yourself together. All right, here we go. I engaged my back. That's not what I'm supposed to be doing. I mean, like, to pull that weight up. That was incorrect. No correcto, no correcto. All right, let's do this thing. Endorphins flowing. I said this earlier when I didn't have my mic. I forgot my headphones at home. And I was already here by the time I noticed, and I only turn my car around from the gym if I forget pre-workout. So we've been jamming out to gym music. Your girl can't breathe. Somebody's in the ambulance. All this whining. All this whining. Did y'all download Duolingo? You could tell me. Did you download it? Okay. Yo quiero hablar en español. Le quiero hablar español a ellos. I want to speak Spanish to you guys, okay? A ellos me quiero hablar en español. I want y'all to speak Spanish to me. I feel like that's what I said. If y'all spoke Spanish, y'all could tell me I was wrong. Like y'all can't tell me y'all don't encounter like a lot of people who speak Spanish. I feel like the Spanish-speaking population, the biggest minority here in the United States. So it behooves us to get on our Spanish game. In addition to the gym. Y'all, I'm stalling on doing my last set. But also, then, we can't, let me speak into the mic, The Brothers. Have y'all ever seen the movies The Brothers? Anyway, then we can talk about Spanish. We can talk about the gym in Spanish, right? Right?
If your game is on, give me a call, boo. If your love is strong, I'll give my all to you. I think of you.
Studio or teaching a fitness, you guys. It feels like it's building connections and friendships with people who actually. So we're home and I'll make dinner. I actually have a bunch of. So happy I
Y'all like Summer Walker? I like me some Summer Walker. Feliz Jueves, mis amigas. Happy Thursday, my friends. So, I'm going to take out my notes off of here. We have finished the second book that's supposed to be for January, y'all. It is February the 8th. So, this was a book. I enjoyed it. I don't know if y'all would necessarily enjoy it. It's not a fiction book. It is more kind of like a educational book about our food ecosystem, and she wraps stories around it. So her family, her husband and her 2 daughters, they decided to eat off their land, off their garden for a year with minimal things from other regions in the world, and with minimal buys from the grocery store. Anything that they could grow, that's what they mainly ate. So it kind of talks about that, in addition to like the climate crisis and how our food eating habits of eating stuff that are not local to us or local to where you live affects the environment and global warming. And this book was written in 2008, and so like some of the stuff that she talks about, like she was kind of like, this is going to happen, and of course this is happening now because we are what, in a global warming crisis. I learned a lot from this book. I think she has a master in evolutionary biology, so sometimes she got like really sciencey and technical in the book. I don't know if it's anything that I retained, but like the overall gist of the book did like hit me in my I want to be a better human and conservator of the earth spirit. And then she also talked about like how companies patent like certain grains, rices, wheats, vegetables, and then when they plant it, so it's patented, right? So they plant it next to a farm, and those seeds from their farm gets onto the other farm, then that stuff is patented and it mixes in with like another farmer's grain or crop or whatever. That farmer could then be sued because the seed is over in there and it's growing, and like they can't sell their crops, they have to destroy it. Which if y'all watch Jurassic Park, the last one, Jurassic Park, the last world, I don't know, whichever one, the last one that came out with Chris Pratt, I did not enjoy it because it was not enough dinosaurs. But there was a big thing they talked about was like genetically modified food, genetically modified dinosaurs, splicing DNA to make other stuff. So that's essentially what they do to our food sometimes, to like breed out stuff that will make vegetables different, to create vegetables that look similar, like in size, color, variation. So it gets really technical. So if that is something that like you enjoy, you would likely enjoy this book. So each chapter ends like with what fruits and vegetables are in season, how they planted the crop, when they planted the crop, how they grew the crop, just things about the crop. And then they'll have like recipes at the back to give you ideas of how to cook what's in season around you, also with like a meal plan. So it's kind of like a year in a family, growing their own food, being a little bit preachy and a little bit informative about global warming, food, knowing where your food comes from, how corporate entities play into our food chain, and also is a cookbook. She has a couple of recipes in here that I want to try. She has like the recipes online, so I'm gonna return this book to the library, but I do plan to go online and like screenshot some of the recipes that I saw in this book that I thought looked really, really yummy. So much more that I could talk about in this book. I've been droning on for like 12 minutes. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cut this down, but I really found this like so interesting, and I learned a whole lot, and I'm gonna be going to my farmer's market as soon as I can get up on time on a Saturday. And now we're gonna go to the gym. Well, I don't know if y'all going to the gym, but I'm gonna go to the gym, and if I see y'all there, then I see y'all there. know, I usually love, and I mean love, Thursdays, but this morning I kind of woke up emotional. I don't mean like emotional, like depressed or nothing. Like I woke up irritated because I got a phone call like we scheduled an appointment. So I got irritated. And then I did like my morning routine, like I did my Spanish. And then like I swapped out writing about dreams because I just can't, it's something about doing all that writing in the morning that I don't get with. So I swapped that out for like reading like this meditative journal on Jesus' words. So I kind of cycled from being irritated and annoyed by the person who woke me up for my alarm went off to feeling like grateful and seen by God and Jesus and like getting some new understanding, like some of his word. And so now that I'm at the gym, I just feel blah. I don't know. It's not my period. It's came and gone. This Thursday is not like my regular happy Thursday. Like I just feel it emotional, but I'm not gonna let that deter me. But I just wanted to share that. It's not my typical happy-go-lucky, I'm off tomorrow Thursday. And it could be because I have doctor's appointments tomorrow, which means I gotta like take my hair down because one of them I can't have braids for. So I don't know. Hopefully it fades out by the time I go to work. Maybe I just need to eat some real food. All I had was some jelly and toast this morning, so that could be it as well.
Life feels good, life feels great, life feels good, life feels great today. Life feels good, life feels great, life feels good, life feels great today. Today. Don't know what the future holds today. Today. Just
celery juice by itself is nasty. It's, the taste leaves something to be desired. But I'm hoping with the pineapple, like the sweet citrusy and the pineapple with the celery will make it more tasty. And I have that and I try to make sure I drink it this time. Because last time I made that celery juice, which was like months ago, I did not drink that. I'm gonna be honest. It went down the drain because terrible. Oh, this is the new book that I'm going to read. This is going to be my book for February. I got this recommendation from a little old guy at the gym who had it strapped to his elliptical as he was working out. He was reading it, and so I was like, well, what book is that? And so he recommended it, said it was good, and I'm gonna read it. So if y'all want to follow along and read as well, again, I don't know what I'm in for. He just said it's like a big brother futuristic, for 1987 futuristic Big Brother government spying on people and what they would look like, and he claims that it is parallel to the times that we are in now. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.